Hi guys, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how do you make clove oil from home, or how do you dye it from home. So guys, you need cloves. This is how they look like. Because I'll be using this oil on my locks and my daughter's hair too, so I'll just take like 3 to 4 tablespoons, then I'll grind them manually, but you can use also a blender if you wish. So guys, if you're interested, let's go ahead and get started. So guys, I will be adding 3 tablespoons of my cloves. Actually, the more you add more cloves, the more you get more oil, I think. So on my side, I will make a little bit more because I'll be sharing this oil with my daughter. So guys, I will be grinding them manually, but you can use your blender if you wish. So guys, let me show you how I do it. So guys, as you can see in the video, I'm just showing you how you can grind your cloves manually, but as I said earlier, you can use your blender if you wish, but on my side this time around I decided to do it manually guys. So you need to grind this slowly. It's time consuming, but it's worth it. So you need to grind it until when it turns into powdery. So that's how it is done manually guys. So I'll take my time and grind. So guys, this is how my cloves looks like when I'm done. And guys, the next step is to add my cloves into my container. So this is the type of the container which I've got, and it has to be with a cover guys. So I'll be adding in my powder in there, then I'll be covering my cloves with my favorite oil. Then this time around I'll be using olive oil, but you can use grapeseed oil, you can use coconut oil, you can use any type of oils of your choice. So guys, I'll be adding this into So this is how the cloves looks like when I'm done adding them into my tin. So I'll be adding my olive oil to cover it up, then I'll leave this to sit for a week. So guys, as you can see, my oil has fully covered my cloves. So I'll be covering my tin, then I will leave my oil to sit for a week, but I'll keep on shaking it every other day for 7 days to get all the benefits and the magic oil out of my cloves. So guys, I'll get back to you every morning when I'm shaking this. So guys, as you can see, this is day 6, and actually tomorrow it will be my day 7. So I will leave my oil to sit, then tomorrow morning I'll just come back just to extract my oil out of my cloves, and I can't wait to see that magic growth guys. So guys, let's wait tomorrow, then I'll show you how I'm going to be doing this, then I'll come back with the final results guys. Stay tuned. So guys, this is day 7 and this is how my oil looks like. So I'll be extracting this oil from cloves, and I can't wait to see how much oil I got out of this. And so guys, so easy to make or to dye your oils from home. So here we are now, guys. Let me just get all the remaining oils out of my cloves, because I want to get the real benefits of cloves to my hair actually. So I guess now my oil has been totally extracted from cloves. So guys, this is my final results, and this is how my oil looks like. And actually it has that smell, I don't know. It smells a little bit weird, but yeah, the smell is not that bad actually compared to, for example, tea tree oil. So I can't wait to use this oil on my hair, and I can't wait to see how much growth I can get out of it. So guys, as you can see, this is my final results, and this is how my oil has turned out, and I can't wait to use this on daily basis onto my hair, guys. So if you're new to my channel, please welcome. Don't hesitate to click that red button by subscribing to my channel. And if you've been here for a while, thank you so much for the love and support, guys. See you in my next video. So if you want to see how do I apply this on my locks, stay tuned. See you in my next video. Bye bye, guys.